4.29 Breakfast 9,
bread,
12,
butter,
8,
cereal,
2,
cheese,
6,
coffee,
11,
eggs,
3,
jam,
4,
orange juice,
7,
milk,
10,
sugar,
1,
tea,
5,
toast,
lunch, dinner. 20,
fish,
14,
meat, steak, chicken, sausages, ham,
13,
olive oil,
23,
pasta,
22,
rice,
24,
salad,
vegetables. 25,
carrots,
17,
chips, French fries,
16,
a lettuce,
26,
mushrooms,
15,
onions,
18,
peas,
21,
potatoes,
19,
tomatoes,
fruit,
36,
apples,
35,
bananas,
31,
oranges,
29,
a pineapple,
32,
strawberries,
desserts. 38,
cake,
34,
fruit salad,
30,
ice cream,
snacks. 33,
biscuits,
37,
chocolate,
28,
crisps,
27,
sandwiches,
39,
sweets,
4.30
We need an apple. We need some apples. We need some butter.
We don't need a tomato. We don't need any tomatoes. We don't need any rice.
Do we need an orange? Do we need any oranges? Do we need any sugar?
4.31
tree, eat, ice cream, meat, peas, tea, egg, bread, breakfast, healthy, train, steak.
4.32
Good afternoon and welcome to today's edition of Get Ready, Cook. And a big round of applause for today's contestants, Jack and Liz. Hello, Jack. So, do you like cooking?
I love it. I cook dinner every evening at home.
How about you, Liz?
Yes, I'm the cook in my family too. I cook every day, of course, but what I really like is cooking for friends at the weekend.
Oh, OK. So you know the rules. In the bag there are 6 ingredients, just 6 ingredients. You have an hour to cook 3 dishes. A starter, a main course and a dessert. Apart from the ingredients in the bag, you can also use basic ingredients like pasta, rice, eggs, sugar, salt, pepper, etc. OK, are you ready? Let's open the bag. And today's ingredients are a chicken, some carrots, some onions, 3 oranges, some cream cheese, and some dark chocolate. OK, Jack and Liz, you have 5 minutes to decide what to make, and then it's get ready, cook.
.33.
Liz and Jack, you have 2 more minutes, so I hope you're nearly ready. OK, time's up. Stop cooking now, please. OK, Jack, what did you make?
For the starter, there's carrot and orange soup. For the main course, I made chicken breasts filled with cream cheese. And for dessert, pancakes with chocolate sauce.
That all looks delicious. And you, Liz?
I made a carrot and onion salad with orange dressing. Then for the main course, pasta with creamy chicken sauce. And for dessert, chocolate and orange mousse.
It all looks good too. But now, the moment of truth. Let's taste your dishes.
4.34.
Right, Jack. Let's try your soup. That's delicious. It's a great combination, carrot and orange. Is there any onion in the soup?
Yes, 1 onion.
It's very good, but next time, maybe you could add a little cream? Not much, just a little. OK, now the chicken. That's lovely. Not very original, but very tasty. And finally, the pancakes. They look beautiful. And they taste fantastic. Now, Liz, let's try your dishes. The salad first. It's nice, but the taste of onion is very strong. How many onions did you use?
3.
I think perhaps 2 are enough for this salad. OK, the pasta. It's very good, but it needs a bit more salt and pepper. And finally, the mousse. That's a beautiful mousse, Liz.
Thank you.
And it tastes fantastic. Absolutely delicious. Well, congratulations to you both. I loved all your dishes, but only one of you can win. And today's winner is Jack.